Hello everyone. Police Minister Bheki Cele has likened the disruption of the State of the Nation address by the FF members of Parliament on Thursday to the 1966 assassination of former Prime Minister Hendrik Verwoerd. EFF member of parliament stormed the stage where President Cyril Ramaphosa was sitting during Sona on Thursday. The party had prevented the president from speaking for more than 30 minutes at the start of his speech and was eventually ordered to leave. Refusing to do so, EFF member of parliament were forcibly removed by police when they rushed to the stage. Bheki Cele said, "Remember, we have a history in this country where the prime minister was killed in the chamber, so we are not going to take chances." The police got a constitutional mandate to prevent, to protect, to combat any form of illegality, to investigate, to enforce the law, and make sure that the inhabitants are safe. That's what Constitution says. We had to act. I'm very proud of officers, and again we will act the same if same thing happens again. The National Assembly Speaker Nosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula called insecurity as chaos and stood on stage. The DA leader Johnston Yeason raised concerns about the presence of the security forces. According to him, the actions of heavily armed officers meant to protect Ramaphosa was intimidating for Member of Parliament. The FF Plus leader Peter begs to differ on this one and said maybe he does not understand the work and the job of the Presidential Guard. Presidential Protection Unit. The EFF made a mistake to get onto the stage and make the threat to the president. I want to congratulate the Presidential Guard. Naledi Pandor was also concerned about the EFF's behavior and said the international community was watching what happened there. I'm going to have to answer as to what is going on, and all I'm going to say is we've got members who don't respect Parliament or the constitution of our country. What's the take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.